Everything is energy. As within, so without. These four power packed words describe everything that goes on in your world. That's because beliefs, thoughts, and ideas, as well as actions, are energy. Everything in the universe is energy. Not only is this true according to spiritual teachings, but to scientists as well. Albert Einstein stated, "Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not a philosophy. This is physics." That is what Albert Einstein stated. So, what kind of energy are you creating in your inner world, which then is mirrored back to you and affecting your outer world? Are you practicing self acceptance? Once you begin to accept all parts of yourself, you will release judgment of yourself and of others. Where does conflict get its roots? Duality, the illusion of separation. It's a paradox, such as male female, night and day, good or bad, dark or light, positive or negative. And how about human God? What does this mean to you? And how does it affect your life? Listen to your own inner non acceptance with awareness. Let's experience this for yourself through this meditation using energy mapping as your guide. For simplicity's sake, we will use your body, and for more simple way, like metaphysics explains, and also yoga, the right side of your body we will use as a masculine energy, and the right side, I'm sorry, I might have said that wrong. The right side of your body we will use as masculine energy, and the left side of your body we will use as feminine energy, in case I stated that incorrectly. Left, feminine, right, masculine. Now, I prefer to really be very relaxed in this meditation. So I personally lie down in a most relaxed atmosphere, letting my body be supported by a comfortable bed, pillows underneath my knees, underneath my wrists or hands to support my shoulders, and of course my head. Whatever makes you more comfortable and relaxed. And I know many methods and theologies of practices of meditation are in a sitting upright position. Whatever feels right to you. to truly go inside and feel your own inner illusion of separation, using your body as your guide and roadmap. So gently close your eyes in your very relaxed state. And as always, taking in consciously, focusing on your breath, inhale, exhale 3 times, giving the signal to your mind, body, your muscles, your mind that it is time to let go and relax, deeper and deeper levels of letting go, of being receptive. Inhaling fully and exhaling through your mouth slowly. Sense whatever you might be feeling inside your body. Energy often feels like a tingling sensation, a movement sensation, possibly even like a simple falling, falling into relaxation and letting go. Go inward to your spine as well as you can, focusing your attention on your spinal column. And then outwardly to the entire right side of your body and left side of your body. And some of you may even go beyond the structure and limitations of the body into the energy fields, but distinctly be aware of right and left. As in yoga, some of you know one side feminine, other side masculine, known as the Ida and Pingala energy forces that move along the spinal column, often depicted as like a snake-like winding, intertwining, interconnecting movement from bottom to top, base of your spine to the top of your head. Ultimately, bringing the two energies together in what is known as a divine marriage or union, and centrally traveling up the center of the spine through the top of the head, opening the crown chakra like a lotus flower as the two energies unite into the one central energy channel known as the Shoshana. Feel if you notice, is one side more active, maybe feels bigger or more contracted or dense, or just brings more attention to your body and your mind, as opposed to the other side being lighter, fainter, not so noticeable, but still there, maybe possibly being overpowered by the one more forceful, noticeable energy, whether it be in your case the right or the left side. Sometimes even the body feels more lifted as your back is relaxed and supported by how you're positioned. It's just larger, feels more dense, like you're uneven. Notice if you just focus in on one part of your body, possibly being a shoulder or a hip or the front side or the back side of your body. Would that be positioned more on the right or the left? Notice your arms and your hands. Does one hand or arm feel more open and receptive, and the other one feels like, where is it? I can't find it. Is there an inner battle between the two? Are you just used to being a giver more than a receiver, a doer more than a person that is just being? One that is possibly more controlling and takes a lot of effort, as opposed to one that is softer and more nurturing and just allows life to occur. See if you can hear any thoughts or see any colors or images. Is there a voice inside? One that is more stronger, more directional, maybe harsh or punishing, as opposed to one that is more loving and gentle and nurturing. As you notice the difference, if you do notice a difference, because as we meditate and become aware by just giving focused attention, what we observe shifts and changes. That is the law of physics. Quantum physics says what we observe changes, it moves, transforms, just by witnessing and observing. So, as you've been paying attention to what is happening in your inner world of your inner body through energetics, and your consciousness is interplaying by giving you information, images, thoughts, beliefs, feelings, using all the senses of your human five senses, as well as opening to extrasensory perception, other experiences of sensory input. Things shift and change. Possibly now you feel more balanced, more of a union, more of a freedom of energy moving through the fluidity of your spinal column, your cerebral spinal fluid inside the center of your spine. Possibly, and most likely, the Ida and Pingala, the masculine and feminine, are now hard to differentiate, as they are one and the same energy. Only the illusion of the paradox of separation now is no longer being shown. because before it was veiled. Now you're feeling with more clarity and calmness and union. Allow yourself to sit in this divine marriage of light, energy, love, acceptance, and compassion equals love. This is an act of listening with awareness that is an act of love. Remain with this as long as you'd like and repeat, checking in on yourself inside as often as you'd like. For more detailed information, go to soulite.com. That's SOLLITE.